TV aba amansane yena yedie Kumawood TV aba amansane.
Right, Yamamo Ajo Nayama Kwaba and Famra Sinopi on Kumawood television and Eda Ukiada, and of course, and day 4 on my gun and Yade Kai Kaneman Penny Dada, His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rollins, Sir Unya Baby Koye, and I na Brimpoye Ewo on my Ghana na Namia Dumwa, Soja 4. Ako kura no kura nti ochina de da edina no atumi aba awiye enkomo o benyamre na yedi ntu he tuntum ehye ya na mi se yina no yebomu na eni yakai ampenada Jerry John Rollins a onya de babi ekro yie no egusu a se ne utumi se de yie no si koye na mpanifo awodo eba ye se de asojafo ne aposifo bambofo omo eda omo ho adi na omo say indeed the former president Jumadi Obedi na eso ani na esefata eni so a etigu ene Ghana for nsem a omo ka omo ntene so a na say nipa bia no obasa so a at least say obey bibi na odi ejiudin eto ho edin no so otumfo ka kire na dan akofo ado obra odi nkunum ne first time obesra is Royal Highness otumfo o say to two otosom yeno na o ka kire ne say e bia na do akofo ado wonyina dro yi de o mpesi kan fanya re do hia eni edin no bedu bi wo ha do hia edin say de be ya uni wa dachi nchirima be bodin pa ebi ena Kanema Penada Rollins here nei o my Ghana nyina no ebo no edin pa of course we ni pa de anya dan no ye ya ene be ya adwene nanso e papa o ye ya na edoso pa esene ebianfom so a wo ye onyame emfa ne kra ensie yi kopem se nyina no ibehia edabi ebenyamre ntibia ya menu ene the group omoton banche eko edwada na akosu amansan so ne group omoton banche akọ ebenada na akua mu ene afi ono so ne group omoton banche so akọ okuada e banche fo nyina mebom kodufo nyina mom nsafo nyina mom enipa no dos COVID-19 no ano shipa kobo na yekoso a ede abowo se unimu wu a na wahwenda de eba kakra partial lockdown ba ye wo hawa menu mi ne yekomu ebia na antimi amwo. Initially it was Kumasi, Greater Kumasi, Accra, Greater Accra and part of Central Region being Kaswa and a called partial lockdown. But I can tell you, sir, it affects especially yene adwuma yankumankuma sikanifie a dia yanko adwuma da biarada yentimi enhwe fie no entimi no mienu e futo de man na awie yi yenhwe ho yi yemo ho ban na afi yemwa Ghana. So we have the obligation to add our voice and educate you, advise you and appeal to you. Say boa na yentimi ensi yare no ano na amfa wo haw kese entumi amfa amre hu nu ya no 24 na ono so etumi edi enhye no ntie bia na obeba bamwa kokko university betumi aboa ma enema etumi so akoso judges won Mahama enra otre dia course Supreme Court na me admochna here never cause any NDC afa what I believe the government is also trying to consider into menu ya uchenti na bia oman no omanpani unlock it down. Let's be a bit careful. Omanpani dada the late Jerry John Rollins among fire say make comments traditional rulers boycotted Rollins funeral. See the Rollins inti ena ema asano etumi eba ebenyamre na yedi enkomo ukopiemu ewo some part of the country are still the security agencies eguso a ebekai ebedemu no after His Excellency Jerry John Rollins. In some of those benyamre na yedi enkomo felt within the country, especially in Kumasi ebenyamre na yahwe efipa edokro or my Ghana, especially when you go there edokro no enye agro benyamre na yedi also enkomo ewo ho ye twa ho emra kwaja bwa fon krato mre ba e be sha se na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ. We are live on Facebook.
Ɔsi animdia mi manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinom ba from ho se me yo ɔmo asɔfo nso no ɔmo nya ma asɔre ma akɔm
asantema mu a akɔmfo no yɛ dodo wasen nso bɔne ɛkɔso no amro ben ɛyɛ kristofo
na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsun mu ɛna osukɔ na ɔhaw ɛda oso no ma hwɛ no nyi emfiri hɔ ɛmfa ɛma wo ɛtwerɛ yare bi a ɛdam usika ɛna ayera na wɔhwɛ ɔja pade bi na obi ɛnam kwa bi so agye afiri nsɛm utu gold ɛna opɛ 0246 647 247 ana 0245 771 801 0245 771 805 na sɛne nso sɛ malam onye sika duro onye double money pocket no dry azafo no mo yɛ saa de no
bra said the time herbal mixture esia gimi ni me fiefo enya de abaako pe ebeso ye
really dey with so ofani nyina
bra se me ka se me di time herbal mixture ho adanse a riase nyina ebete me nka enti se malaria wedra ni time herbal mixture
ye nko ato yi mo agi atomo se eye
ade na so hu mi a odi bi osie
Enya drone ni yesayade. Axco herbal capsule. Team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe. Eyi ni nyina afiri ho.
me wura nya nye bai me so me
Be herbal capsules. Fama me. Me so me kwanu we. Unya anye dan no. Yiwani.
ni be de nya bi
Axe no pay. Enya na ewo herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu.
Bia.
Da onya mfie dumi no apefo ene oba o manofo entimi mfasa adru
sana
Amaya wode foforo.
FDA ahwehwesa
Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no hu dwa kase pa ne ko di brew wonim eyema mani mema Edusa herbal mixture and Edusa herbal capsules eye koko ni sisi okaki ye ya da
separate obie timinum bi ade sakefo
Right. Yes, I Emma Okwaba ene ukuada and I believe say ene nkaya da pa so kwa heda meto no saa bra no di ade a obete saying na efa no ho there were a lot of we can say myth perception or whatever na ebia yeah we 80s no yeah bete e de efa no ho so use of sanitation koso saying e bia wo omo eguso adwuma no and the Zoom Lions and the companies are omo taking in charge of the cleaning in our country. What is going on? Yes. Mame kwa ho mane so na ye reporter Emmanuel Frimpong enkodi enkomo ima otebe nka me mo adwa nwumre
Right, we go so.
bibi aboko de
Na business of massive ye better na improve possible na be na ochi mu na yake twa na ochi mu ofokulu na it means a baller agbe ko ni na afa na ememe da ho a ehu ehue pa so ye ka ho atam o se ba bi to se alaba ewura ye wo nyina ye ba bi a manfo eto ho pade enyata anagbo anatama wotwe ena na baller nyina egu ho o se ba bi to se Dr. Mensa on say ye baller pa ni ngesi aya gata ni ma ne so tem na wen ma menom ne papa nom eto ho eto ne na bi to ho na doa tomatoes ena even yeho ha ye bufukura ye kejetia new kejetia ye si so run about no can you go say ho no ye ni obi ho a hu kwanya timamufo no foto ebe baller no egu so etimi gu ho bane na so mo nya papa no omo no kwaji the baller no ewo ejedifo no ba na say ebi mu fiefie no aya omo kwatu egu the mayor space so mo to baller no mo ntimi na omo the baller na bebu na otu for run about we adia ye nyabre we na the going to ye see adia enche let's see no chese de manfo etwe baller gu ho na asisi ni pa so enye ni editor teaching the central business of national idea enula ajikunu nyina e de afa
na is it that say bia mayor adwuma also on na assembly no ye no na eni omonye ana se hu se omoye
kasa edidawo ko ni ji so de omuni kura se zula for ne ni edi omachi ama yehupe omo be pata no pa be no numu ko de yehu so kike bibia so de be se de botom de baabi na o pa no ho na da de to enti keme for the for the ni ye so bobom ni na e das me na omo yiye de fi kwa ho no na de so bo ni so aborate ma mu for so ya ho keka the for the so the bia kan the face of COVID-19 na fi ekemu no so really face 2 so the really the anode in the first one in no na o have man attitude na e dey implement o ma kasa na social distance no dey na asoja for kwa wo kum fa no so be asoja for fa na sa be ya be o ma ka so mu fam dey minim dey mu face ka bia ya le
ebi mu di nkomo omo ewo especially gata wakotia line wo hwe enema se de sigu gata no mu plastics ye gata no mu ma na nipa di akoni aba wo ho ni nyina na ye attitude a ye okumasia
ma sentinti me dai emma amiye dai enkoye mu aha ti so tona sentimi antwa nkwasa na se sune etsi kokora na sentubi me ba sa sentini ntimi ntina kora na ano eden
na money penny for the home common penny for 200 na mo kakra bi wa
hade obi a penu bia.
Thank you. Good. Looking at the situation here, the gutter, the plastic that has been packed here, what is the cause of it?
Those plastics that you are seeing there, they are coming from afar, very far away. Up there, when the rain falls, cannot pass through the hole, so it has to choke there. Before it will pass through the hole and pass through, unless it rains heavily, so that it will to pass through. Well, when it rains small, all this thing cannot pass through.
And then again, is it causing any problem, any health difficulties, health hazards?
By all means, that one is sure. And when it rains, the scent that normally comes from the big gutter is not easy. You can't contain it when you are here. A lot of scent. When you draw their attention to it, they will come for it.
You said these have been packed here, not basically that people here have been dumping it, but it has been coming from afar.
Yes.
Any advice for people who dump refuse, especially during rainy season?
This is Aquatia line.
Aquatia line. So this is the main drain passing through Aquatia line.
This is Aquatia line. This particular, including the top there, is Aquatia line, and this is why KTI school is top there. This is Unity Oil filling station, and top there is another total one direction. And you mentioned those places. Everybody knows.
How long have you been working here?
Close to 10 years now.
Here.
No, this is our station there. We are loading, conveying goods, transporting goods from Kumasi to Tamale.
Those days, the bicycles, you know, na ho udi dwa ho on fa ono so na ye fi no but on fa ho on pra because e won krofo also me pra on pra e omo so also mo hwe so na ye di sa adwuma no so a e obi nyina na kokwa ban so bo abo ni nyina no a na ye se aban ana ye ntu wana mo. It's so unfortunate say krofo akwaji position ato mo so a dwuma de also mu die no mu ni. Very, very unfortunate. Waji position a DC will be approved. But the Jumata also omo no. Omo nye. Nyuma na wase ye pa. Na nanom Kotia line. Chete gata edawa ko pie subi FM wa kono. Ena ya to nema gumu a ensu oto a na kwabrane edi eniema agunsu. Why are we doing this as a country? They say area ba we should be a no smarts no nse we the police ni ba no why fast no dey share. But then so you die alone. But we dey ya kwa na say bi ba be na mai ye ya na be your mind no e mani ye so a e ma me no mie no ye ni hu ni na ye to ye ni ma ye e se bitumi aboa ama o man no atumi atumpon mo so mo hwe ema na ya hyase edi nkomo wadwen kire 0202 6684 64 0202 6684 64 ya jaba fo kato ba hesi e ba ya beto aso
Ozi animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira
obeko popet so ajo obensa before mo awi tramadol ombasa
piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena de Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 02 for Unity FM o kwaw atibie eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
Ebra, if I shop na me sha dia wo bag.
Bra ade, enna so biem.
Ana akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto town heba me se adro ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atridie malaria ibi ansa.
Ayo se time me TIME. Time heba mesha. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba.
Aspi Herbal Capsule hina manager baby.
Nso di previous you. As AF Herbal Capsule a boost your immune system.
Agent so de. Usisi da bia chia na bi chia kan ho.
Mrs. India ka ho.
XP Herbal Capsule. Ebe boa mo sisi na ye kama ma.
2%
Inside Emma Wakwaba, still in the morning mood. Yeah, Kai Gala Penida da, or the baby aircraft, Raja for Atanasi. Said Asari, as someone say consistency NPP communication officer. Come on,
that's the way. In here with me pro Bruno.
So there,
I think you see me.
But also, rather, and can an anchor what happened.
The tell us to me on every. Oh. What have possible.
Umpire so. Umpire so pa. Oh, but yes, a umpire na Supreme Court no your mama winnie there. Say Mike. Umpire so pa.
Say Mike umpire. Can't say we presidency.
Okay.
What
I feel crew. Now say you own we feel crew. I are worried.
We should all be worried. You come say in the nation. Once in a year from the garden, with me, a day she walk my side. If you and no can say, the beer you was why I did to if you know one also the beer I did to as you need to be you say, my at the proper beer, Sabi. One near not this one, a year over 2 years, one up to us. Yeah, which probably you cry and you cry. Everybody is interested in getting
over videos not just not I have 4 IB having a more joining the state of Kumasi now Central Business District pa
I said Rebecca so many at one point it's the only my this wrong why you for mom saying
okay so to
if you walk about it
but I don't know I don't question before nana akwasi adwumaya obia betimi aka hwe na wontimi kura na mfa wo kiosk kura mesi kwa ho that way so hu ntimi nyane mabasa bia obo kodwobo nsu a obi beka so retro park oba ye kejetia market you see beren osas bentwi ye bo
tutu anase tujagu odi ene din na odi edikan obi nso ede boaseto yento ato adwene de ne ha o sei na mpese me ye ade a bibi kum o sesi enya edan sie enko ane se o maye preview sabi ye wo eja bi wo ho a obai we nsidan ba ne manyina abobra ti ono beka so wa amobra na enti so obai no e na nko no so kosi kwaje asase wo sikejeti a se ye ba beka kumasi ahudi ni enya ye fa ne free ba mo free ba na you come back to square zero adwuma amoyi ebe ya adwuma amoyi ye nyina ya agi ato enso a ye ka ho asem ye tempenten eye den na ye de dustbin esi abonten se ye nya ye nam krum unum nsuo a fatum na me Make me akyekyere me wura amaye no ofie na me dia ba be hye dustbin ni na dustbin na ye ma na me a me twam na me yeso wo a wato nsuo bia ono se de ositie no emwa no se me no nsuo na me de to fom a o se si be medi machin kan kyerɛ me se set fa ade na wo de ato fom fa free ho ewura ye no wo twa
mo de politics NPP apampa dwadi for man Kumasia. Look at the message Honorable Apiade has sent me. Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm watching. In fact, it's an eyesore. All of us in assembly, honorable member assembly.
Honorable member assembly. On sign sending so. Now on can say Omo call General Assembly no. What decision have they taken? I also may you implement or implement about the field.
Also an executive power to implement certain things.
Politics. Adwuma ye adwuma hu.
Woni ha na chama wontumi etran TV station ne radio station ka say omo moto ne mo ekwan ho no they should continue to be there. I heard him personally say e beto aba omo makwan
I be solve the problem no free. See the politics ne be mu a say my see the politics be mu a ye be ko ye be ba be si ba bia ye be hya ase.
Is it say here dey?
Yen asenipa na ye ti Kumase no. Na yen hwe leaders enye friend say no mayor for politician no the people no a man for now omoti kronim no na ebeye o margins ade o ye enye me kai so be ka say me say is it Sweden o say baby a
I think say enye nipa no asa no nipa na e wo ho no enam say be a leadership no de na magu akwan mu ama enforcement ye adwumenti no wo ko hokora en na ofri Kumase ayo ho fia wo ko ho obedi mra me so
who is there to execute a certain agenda say me mafi endokro na you don't need assemblies you approval
but ono na
how am church in
kitwe bi na for it
near mayor what you know obia no obetimi asi no ho kwan say mane me bra emura free service bibia oni se mura ewo bio onu a eni kwan so omotra ba bi omotra munya mo omotra because e ba beto aba na ya to aba bi na betina that's the reason why they can't say you see you cannot eliminate politics from this because it has a political undertone. When you have this Amina said and he said chairman won't me as the regional chairman of the MPP Emma commander was SBNP in this OT and Ameboa.
I don't say they want to make us went here. You remember no?
I don't we politics free one and here politicians here the issue say the assembly nimpo na nhia ya one more a responsibility I show almost have to say the mayor and so on and so forth. One more fancy in one na bole because every day me just sure say omo nisika definitely the mayor that is being appointed by political and of course we share the regional chairman also a year the man and so on and so far said then to me politics free madabraka
okay
and going forward
and I say
yen can see this
and numbers are white also white the age and kwai Carolines kwan be so and then His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo say ye be name UDS after Rollins and one na is it enough
tie di agro na baby o ma hyehyɛ nkonwa for mpanimfo Vietnam. I don't know how what happened me take say siren na bo Rollins ba president ba ne first lady ba hwa na me kotena akonwa ba akoso afi do something.
Okay, so you were part of those who propose that way, no?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Sir, now you say Jerry or charisma. And now those times in Kuala and now so that for no yen yachi and your Nancy growing up in Kumase in Ashanti region. There was this perception about Jerry, which me and you know, then people hear commentaries of people telling you the motive behind the Jerry, and I get to know say na owo genuinely owo adwen pass enkode ye bibi but a fine approach remarkably me ade ba kwa me de kai anase me de respect Jerry ye to about 2000 bibi a kwan a ofa so handle over power edema mampanyi kofo one can who be because a pay so difficult as a sitting government say ubetu nyaketeli no.
But at that time you know we are moving to democracy.
Obama,
constitutional rule here.
Obama, Dr. Liman.
Yes.
You must why kakra. Oma yemfa ento asosa. Ti me personally, dear adia me de kai no ewo. Anase me de ema ebu a woman no ekọ nkan and because growing up me papa mama Jerry history or can school.
Right.
Met me enya akwanya.
Okay.
Ti ene de be kan se nyame amfa Jerry ekra ensi. De aka nyina wo one ne bofo ensem. Said de oye no na ya adwen pa o. Se na ya adwen boni o. Ye de as mortal as we are.
No, that's ya. Me Rollins. Mo se na ekuri. Eyi nanka munya nanka papa nanka. Mo ye. Bare kusi se ya ye mama no so ye nso mana efe. I think na no bi ne me eka se me mpese me
so like and then the entire mission for Ghana is yeah papa
okay
I fought for public one and there's no argument about it also so Mike President
okay more enjoy on right here yeah buy better to us yeah buy this here we see
dia ba fie di fo mu obekọ puppet so ajo ovensa di fo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 pm ene ni moya de ama wa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira na da bia 7 to 9 pm ewo Kumawood TV ni afana live ewo Unity FM ewo kwawu atibie eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao.
All right, yes I am Wakwaba Oguso Sinopi live on Kumawood Television. He's
the founder of the Fourth Republic. And the Fourth Republic in Sri Lanka and Kupon saying witness any form of coup d'etat. But of course, that means you are said he can't say, you say, baby, you're the respect and the pie, say, who cried to me, and Iranian Tinyanka. May take it time to give, most especially, Yang Mabuduna, Yang Shed and Rollins, to brief one. We will be our school, we will have successfully, and now the grades are very good. But was one so called now the try no more. So Mike and some are Rollins kind. Mint mean kind in a bet me no video me 3 more man can cry to what be one for. And if I may quote him, I say I'm not an expert in law. I'm not an expert in economics. Much more down through this. Feeling for the masses. That's where and where the standing. On GBC and so on and so forth. No, I didn't call to money as she says, then you say, what attempt to and I say, I'm running this. I was here headache. Squad. Upright successful. Rollins then. Every year we did our company for 3 solid months. San here, according to history, now MP from the side, so on and so forth. And the foot on they say on forming the party. Now you
okay, first moment.
If you was CPP.
Bay, a yini in every home.
Miwura, me and your bay. Men so met me and ask what backups to him.
Met me and Bedrodo. Now, ask P. Herbal Caps. I know the mammy, Sissy, Yadi in every Missua. Mamma, what to me?
Ask P. Herbal Caps to him and any job.
For surgery.
Sana.
My hour, the for
FDA, I recite the inquiry more at Atomose.
Adi, oi.
Dodo anu ahwan to makata de so oso esofo pa so na de odi asechiri no enya agro ba kwaje mu na wie no na enya yare na yoto fia na umma ena ba sasa entuku pa bia akọ na akwaje mu a na akọ ebi onyankopon bofo kron maram se bra na omwa yare de yare say hepatitis, hypertension, diabetes yare bi ebodin de onyame adaroma na adum de no kwa malam ebetumi aboa ekwa papa so pa malam se senenso se o ba na ho a on charge na mo ba na wabo ho ana otimi ahwe kama na on ajegu kokora wonya bi na watu a enkotwa dwan kokum nipa entwa na ntwie empa bona kwankere kwan so garuna kwan so na maram be kire wo na on nyame adi kita ho ama wo na ne ma atumi abo wo yo adwuma fiada nko a na o kwon wan kwanta mo abekono na malam ya so nti bia na wantumi anhwe ewe ku bia no malam be hwe we friend malam 0246 647 247 0246 647 247.
Yeah, American truck for crime is Pat Rollins. This entirety, this is
after Roman. Bama Benisi ya bama no.
President
yeah.
He was one of those people that no one yes said to say I did a prayer for which was spread to presidential election. It provided this year no program and the Bema the 42 days that's why they semi that questions interrogatory questions makuma ko ya you said the trouble for dog say what to my home oh and then has a boy minu ade and minu said in your red card we are referee watch run ogu okodu eguza say minu ade in your red card we say oh ade waje ball French re wono wo ba no na obi si anu no ma pass na say tabi it's as simple as that ade red card and it was okay 2012 election petition na Debra Chatuchi Kata no ye service cancel Emma NDC was spending almost 4 days. I stand to be corrected with a bedroom try was here and our boy a corner bear soon and fast to be and also said 1 year adding the might be adding yet to about our Cassie MJH school center in England Yamami Sabina Suye. Yet to about our Cassie market, and we, you know,
but the council also rights will be defended and also declined.
Deserving of, you know, scrutinizing your electoral.
Okay, one must say one way, no say, Bakura, Ebua Kram and something in a contempt. Supreme Court said no, be a person.
A lot of them will form part of our witness statements. It is an annual share. A brand new Supreme Court can say, I didn't know my order say, young family a witness statement. A woman of no, they are about to die. And now there's sanity.
But it seems you're having a bounty with the Supreme Court, and I know our justices, no some Moka. They were not comfortable about the attitude of the lawyers.
I don't coming to correct some abnormal to say abnormal. And since it's removed one more, yes, you are cancel it to be the headache. And I believe says so far it has been healthy. Okay. The young will be a bad near young one is empty because the person at the end of the course. Now let me
submit their witness statement. And I say, I'm here on my far on it's a threat. Are they trying to just put a bit pressure be and I'm not be intimidate the NDC and I say who say NDC for now and so the right thing.
Who compare these to a young say we has a touch of a statesman. The old dear ye name no or mine any moon edumaye any muni padana kumas. All this JJ ye we compare man penina that a male sit down said you MPP for court. And now your coaching say August was saying 8 months and now ruling by. You could talk about 2016. So that time na NDC for now Marietta Brew. Na ono na oye a friend say na Marietta Brew or sign ye committee members chief justice justice of the Supreme Court become who no more timetable bibia no more demand. You could talk about 2016 and omulu so from on in NDC for say. So far as MPs no sit now parliament no ye ni omo achem pepepe no enti ne senti omadi nkonim
but a substantive a case of course
ye hwe mu namfom so bebre wo e na yen omo se omo ne yen any electoral commission e kwatweman so enti ye lawyers anaso mampanyin lawyers e responded to omo petition and omo court say nina no wa bebi sa no adin na obesan tro nsem dumienu no aba na ono so akọ no akọ traba akọ no ya no na ba enti obet na senior cross examination no wasan aba bisa no biem see say you clearly realize say emrani share de to aba no they don't know tomorrow tie ka say ye to aba o ka se market square 1 market square 2 e kwan be na fa so ko drum kan only problem with the figure na aba no.
Yeah, we have a problem with the figure.
What the idea man? Say me fan ko jafie. Wo ba idea ne defie. O say o idea na o de kwa o de fa car. Ana say o de fa plane. Idea na me de ba no asay. An electoral commission enya wa Ashanti region eno an no nti broja jemfi sign. Na broja ko sign ye. Figure ni ko duru Accra no. Figure na broja sign ye no. Ense sign ye. O say hey Ashanti ye vote ni bi aka. Ye de kan hono broja na se ko fo no ahobo akora omunye bi na abase omo pese petition nyina ni se o mampanyi Akufo-Addo asset standard bi ato ho o court no na Ghana fo nyina hu se ye wia no no ye easy it's ye catch ye catch se o ma judges no enya ahome na o mo ankasa enyo o se achachu da bi o ba no wa o ntimi so rente obebe bia no aye late na o ye late last na sabio yentia ene bi wo ha yentia se
let's the court decide so we
oh sama na wa de wo petition wa wo ye petition wo transfer petition anya obi de na wo respond yo wa wo de na wo tro no
good evening Sir Mike thanks for the great work please I want you to interview the receiver Mr. Onipa me say I want to see Kakamu more than first can mo na almost almost from one na market munyate ya say oh men's good for watching you live keep serving Ghana say hi to Mr. K Edu of K Edu Gas okay K Edu Ebeti why junior K Edu Obeti we say now in Koforidua and I think there is a vast difference between sanitation issues in Kumasi and Kof Town, okay, and also there are the Abba, I don't know, Ortega, and so there are the Abba. So the failed issues should be tackled. And I'm going to just turn I manage it.
But you see, the idea of Lucy talking down, something there. I do apparently or maybe there two many from just how can the distance the best test others no apparent others lockdown how much any bit I say if you have between players one lock
surprise o Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules eno hu dwa de me kodi brew
herbal capsules emma memme gina brand na eyemma
na Edusa ya wase se me brabo we
Sudi me ni komo me mami adwoamwa
hey what dance ye aye chuma.
It's a living testimony.
Overly magnanimous to the tactics and tricks of ex-president Mahama lawyers. COVID-19 is real. Let's see. Rest in peace, Papa J. On also the safety protocols. And Mahama has no case. And the petition is waste of time. OPK also. Where's my man?
Samai, you make a fair responsibility, say, what you say? They wouldn't be. But the point is, I'm not being in, at least for more risk and also why that's what it's young say. Senior President, the Kufuado can't see in this.
Yeah, lock it down. Do no bread because most of the people know a year hand to mouth. Ana cobra bedi the okwa obenya na odi no sada nti e lock it down say lock it down driver no driving into na passenger car or driving into mijano bizan say na mask o catch am man spare na mask spare no en share mask na o say o masa nti as now I didn't want him to lose concentration na mijano for the care
Ghana
yes
but this one is free.
A drew baby, a drew baby, you go beyond free.
Then the treatment is free.
A drew baby,
there's a news.
A drew baby, you go beyond free. A drew baby, you go beyond free. Your best ray,
right?
Your best ray. Because when himself would be bet you out. And who ye covered the beer to me. She must also win shop a see a lock it down. A lock it down, I mean, you be brepa, and yes, sir, Ghana for ye public transport.
Down how please, what happens to teachers' professional allowance? Nanado, Bismarck from Adansi, Grumasta. Okay, Bismarck, Malawans no dear SCA. The NDC petition.
One shop,
Amen.
Now only producer and producer can shop more bad and back to the Now,
it is better to have your child. Na echina bi wetima ba be ye ne obeye de aboa da because unim se unyini na wo ba ente ase a obehwe wo bi a ma say wo problem nti esre obi wo hono ma ne ba no ya o de be ma no nti no smart o de be ma no nti no one way excuse on to you yesre mo me mfi to aban so aban na ne yankasa ye make sure say the no smart ni na be hye nkwada no bags bio private schools no mintimi mo apronko public ne de me kwa metimi ze nsuo si ho aye hohoro ye nsane ade no nko ne ba wo hwe nso so a ye de sanitizers alcohol no and so on ebi enshedden ni private schools. That is what I have learned, and I believe that Aban will do well to serve the private schools now.
Okay.
Ghana for send you at least will be safe.
Private schools, no, this semester or this academic year, fees, no,
that's 9 months old.
And Colano is
on free baby. And I was thinking, but so on was in the only to know my own baby. And I say,
Yantia, Ebu Musa, Sampa, Yachao, and Embrace, answer not done. Axim also Yachao and Embrace. Now, yes, so say COVID-19, no, a real. It's Antoniama a na Ocean Wina at me Abwa. What is set? Asare, as one as a communication officer of the NPP, and Kansanso and Yakubu Moro, a regional communication team member of the NDC, and so and coming in, and the Michael Nana Adumakon, executive producer Samuel Kwabna Dakon, producer Bernard Ade, VTR, MCR, Loretta, NRF, Augustina, DOP. Hey, could be Frank, production manager, Ochi Nozo, and I've been so executive director of the show. Sam Dakus meeting once again at the Michael Nana Atumako say Mike. Nyame Ishram na onka we bia nyame atumo tena 46 this year na that in on my Ghana. That song say you have no other country than Ghana. Yakra.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
asante memu a akonfo ne yedo do wasen nso bone ekoso no amro ben eya Kristo